So we're removing exterior components around the outside of the engine so we can get the engine out. So far we got some hoses out of the way, AC, fuel lines. Right now I'm working on belts, fan shroud, radiator's going to come out, and AC compressor, battery's coming out, alternator's going to come out. Anything to do to make as much room as possible to get the engine out. Probably going to take out some fender support struts. We already did on the driver's side, and then we'll see from there. Yesterday, mostly just getting components out for transmission removal. We got over here parking brake cable, supports, drive shaft, shift linkages, throttle linkages. That's what I got out so far. And I came up top to do the bell housing bolts from the top. So basically, since I got it on the ground, I'm just going to go ahead and get all these components out of the way to get the engine out too. Also make room to get to the bell housing bolts. You know, while I'm here, I'm going to do all this, so we can get the motor out.
Just moved. You want to drop a little tiny bit, you said?
I just did. You're moving it?
It came back, but I'm hitting the sidewalls right here on the sides. Let me try moving over. I'm out. I'm all the way out.
All right.
Yeah, it came out a good bit. Turns out shaft's out completely, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. You're disengaged from the engine.
Yeah, it's all the way out. It's past the belly.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead all the way down. Okay, hold on. There we go. That's good. There we go. Clear. Oh, she's leaking bad from the back, man. Off the belly up there. All right.
Can we go back, sir? Let's do that. Bomb.
Yeah, I couldn't stand the handle the first week I used it. It's been that way 20 years.
20 years I've done it this way.
More than that, but.
Bought that tool 20 years ago.
Still looking clear on the back.
Good. Thank you, George.
Yep.
Pretty much, more like 30 seconds.
Use the engine.
That's what you wanted. Oh yeah, unless you don't need that, that'd be better. Almost. Need to make a longer bar, huh? No, what we need to do is not tell Rachel and buy a $500 air pneumatic.
Yeah. That'd be sweet.
Okay, we're good. What? It's on video.
Yeah, it's okay.
Coming back?
Yeah. I'm pushing. Okay, you're going that way, I'm going the other way.
a lot more fun than I anticipated.
Yeah.
Can you detect my sarcasm?
Yep. It's messy, it'll get everywhere and it doesn't come off.